As promised, we are back, and watch me do this underarm tutorial on blonde hairs. Not just because they're blonde doesn't mean that there wasn't a lot of hair here, guys. And this wax did not disappoint. We are using a golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax. Now I'm going to be removing this strip in a staggered way to prevent some irritation, as she hasn't gotten waxed in a very long time. And look at that. Lots of pressure to keep the pain from being there, but even though they're blonde, you can see all the hairs. Did you see that underarm? That was like 99.9 of the removal there, you guys. I am not even kidding you. I came back with the smallest little cleanup strip, and that's it. We were done. So if you guys are in the market for a new wax, this is the winner, baby. Check them out. I am tagging them below, and of course we are always ending our service with some fur oil. And look at that brand new shiny underarm, not a hair in sight.